Only in the darkness you can see the stars. In a gentle way, you can shake the world. Thousands of candles can be lighted from a single candle, and the life of the candle will not be shortened. Happiness never decreases by being shared. As we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to live by them. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. No matter what people tell you, words and ideas can change the world. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. When the sun is shining, I can do anything. No mountain is too high, no trouble too difficult to overcome. Look at the sparrows. They do not know what they will do in the next moment. Let us literally live from moment to moment. When I let go of what I am, I become what I might be. Strive not to be a success, but rather to be of value. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. We all have two lives. The second one starts when we realize we only have one. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. If I cannot do great things, I can do small things in a great way. Pay attention to the present. You can improve upon it. Concentrate all your thoughts upon the work in hand. The sun's rays do not burn until brought to a focus. You can, you should, and if you're brave enough to start, you will. When one door of happiness closes, another opens. But often, we look so long at the closed door that we do not see the one which has been opened for us. Smart people learn from everything and everyone. Average people from their experiences. Stupid people already have all the answers.